Hey, bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Hello everyone, I hope that you are doing well. I want to show you a little bit France. So it didn't rain for a long time and today it was raining, so I told myself, okay, let's go to the forest because I know when it's raining and it didn't rain for a long time, that's the time to go there because the animals all go out. So that's something that I remember from when I was young. Look at this. Vous avez vu? Ça c'est une limace. Une limace. Une limace. You know, une limace. It's a kind of I don't know how to say in English. And une limace. So repeat after me. Une limace. Une limace. Une limace. C'est une limace. Je suis dans la forêt. Je suis dans la forêt. Je me promène en forêt. Je me promène en forêt. Here, this small road, ce chemin ici, I don't think I'm allowed to come here. I have seen at the entrance of the track, it was written propriété privée, but it was couldn't see very clearly. This is here, what I tell you all the time. Huh? You see here, Red Cross, 57, 57, it means they're going to cut down these trees. 57, 57. Whenever you have a tree that's big enough, this is oak tree, c'est un chêne. C'est un chêne. He doesn't look dead to me, he's still alive, but he's big enough so that they cut it down in order to make money. In order to make money. And you can see around us, hein, c'est très clairsemé. Clairsemé. Clairsemé means there are not so many trees. C'est très clairsemé. Il y a des chênes, il y a des bouleaux, des bouleaux. Les bouleaux, they are the white trees. This is the oak trees, les chênes. Il y a un ensemble. Pourquoi ils coupent les arbres? They cut the trees because they can make money from it. Ils peuvent les vendre. Ils peuvent vendre les arbres. C'est pour ça qu'ils coupent les arbres. C'est vraiment dommage. C'est vraiment triste. C'est vraiment triste. It's really sad. Look at this. It's really sad. They went into it. It's really sad. Cette forêt, hein, this forest used to be beautiful and very big, and now they cut. I hear some people say, yes, that's because the trees are dying, they are not in good health, which is one reason, probably one reason. I'm no expert, but then another reason is you're just cutting them down. Then I hear also some people, you shouldn't go in the forest because you have what's called les tiques. So I hope I don't get tick. The tick is a small insect, a black insect. It falls from the trees, it gets inside your skin, and you can get the disease from it. So it doesn't matter so much, but many of them, they have the disease. And this disease, you cannot cure it. So I really hope I don't get it, because look, regardez, j'ai un short. I'm not wearing the long trousers, but honestly, as a kid, I always went to the forest. I never had any tick, not once. So I doubt this a little bit. Maybe this is the truth. Peut-être que c'est vrai. But there are also many people who are doing horse riding. Hein. Ils se promènent tous les jours en forêt, à cheval. They go with the horse in the forest and they don't have tick. Or maybe this happened if you are not so lucky. But that's something. Hein. Regardez ici là. This is a small, un petit cours d'eau. Ça c'est un bouleau, vous voyez cet arbre, c'est un bouleau. This kind of wood. Et ici il y a des champignons. Vous avez vu les champignons? Ce sont des champignons. Très vieux, hein, champignons vieux. And I really want to live like this. Hein. I really want to buy a forest, a small part of forest, and with your help. And my promise to you, I will keep it. I will not cut anything down. I will keep it until I die. Maybe it will be 20 years, maybe it will be 30 years, maybe it will be 100 years. I will keep it until I die. So I told you, I think in English it's called the snug. La limace. Vous avez vu la limace? When it rains, usually there are hundreds of them. Today there are not so many. It's funny. C'est amusant. Une limace. une limace, la forêt, les arbres. Je me promène en forêt. Voilà. Vous avez aussi en forêt, vous avez aussi les fougères. Les fougères. Ici, ce sont des fougères. Regardez les fougères. My grandfather used to collect these on one side here. Vous avez les... This one is not, doesn't have it, they already lost it. Normalement, il y a les... He has the grains below, but this one already lost it. Les fougères. Donc il y a beaucoup de fougères en forêt. And you can see on the track here on the floor, this is because there is someone working here, cutting down the trees, bringing them here from some side. Some of them, some trees they fall by themselves. Certains arbres tombent tout seuls. But some trees, to me, it's clearly they just cut them down, cut them down. Oh regardez, encore une limace. I told you, des limaces, il y en a beaucoup des limaces. You need to be careful when you're walking like this, because you can crush them. If you can avoid crushing them, just avoid crushing them, it's better. Il faut faire attention. Il faut faire attention de ne pas écraser les limaces. Et là, c'est aussi le problème en forêt. Vous avez vu la mouche là, la mouche qui est autour de moi. This is one issue that you have when you are in the forest. Another issue. This is there's the small flies, but there used to be many. Now not so many. Regardez, c'est assez triste. C'est quand même assez triste. Tous ces arbres. Ouais, c'est assez triste. But this part, you can see. Okay, I think there was a huge wind and the trees fell down. Les arbres sont tombés de même, but you can see there's still many trees left. They didn't cut so much. But okay, some of them fell down, but the rest is still here. That's why if you start cutting too much, I think the rest will fall down because the whole surrounding start to be weaker and weaker. It weakens them. This is what I think. Okay. Ah, il y a beaucoup de limaces ici, j'ai failli marcher dessus. Il y en a une ici aussi. Et cette mouche qui me suit depuis tout à l'heure. Ah, je suis vraiment heureux. Je suis vraiment heureux comme ça. Je vous le dis, je suis très heureux en forêt. Vous me regardez, mais vous ne pouvez pas sentir. You cannot breathe it. You cannot. It's so much. Ah, ici, il y en a encore une. Vous avez vu? Donc, yes, elles sont partout, les limaces. Parfois, on voit des salamandres. Vous savez, les salamandres. Si j'ai de la chance, je vais voir une salamandre. Mais c'est seulement parfois, pas toujours. Il n'y en a pas tant que ça des salamandres. Bon. regardez ça devant. Là, ça devient beau. Là, c'est beau devant. Là, il y a des arbres. Là, il y a des arbres. You see in front, here it's becoming nicer. Here you can see the trees were not cut. It's much better, much better. However, over there it seems this. Bon, alors je vous laisse les amis. Je vous aime, à bientôt. N'oubliez pas, donnez-moi un petit pouce et vous pouvez écrire un commentaire. Vous pouvez me dire, Georges, tu peux parler de ça, tu peux parler de ci. Et j'essaye de le parler, ok? J'essaie de le faire pour vous. À bientôt. Au revoir.